Unboxing of the Grex GCK04 airbrush combo kit. This is a handy little kit that has everything you need to get started for your airbrushing. Now let's take a look inside and see everything that you get. First thing I noticed is some pamphlets. The first one is a Grex how-to guide, little tips and tricks and different videos they offer on their website, as well as a little bit of information about different needle and nozzle combo kits that they offer. The next thing I see is a product registration guide for your warranty, as well as the owner's manual for the airbrush, and the owner's manual and instruction book for the compressor itself. The next thing on top of the box is the 6-foot 1/8 and 1/8 braided air hose. And of course the airbrush itself. This comes with a 7 milliliter, 15 and 30 milliliter glass jar side feed. It has a GMAC valve in there, quick couplers already installed on the airbrush, as well as a protective needle cover. They do have a crown cap in there as well, and the nozzle wrench. Now this strong little compressor is 115 volt. It puts out about 20 liters per minute. Has a push button switch on the side. There is an airbrush holder installed on the body as well. A little air filter on the side next to the bottom of the suction cups for vibration and stability. And it does have a pressure regulator with air filter and moisture trap. Little valve on the side as well. Now that your kit's all unboxed, let's hook it all up. Take one end of your air hose and hook it up to your regulator. Take out the quick coupler from your kit, install it on the other end of your air line. Next, take your airbrush and grab whichever cup you prefer to use. It is a side feed, so it goes on whichever side you prefer. Also, you can switch sides as well. And angles, you can adjust it at different angles, whichever you might want and prefer. Like so. And then just pop it onto your airline. And you're all set. Install it on the body of the compressor, the little handy holder that they have, and have fun.